Water, seemingly simple, is an absolutely critical utility in pharmaceutical manufacturing. It's not just for cleaning. Water of various purified grades is a direct ingredient in many formulations and is essential for numerous processes. Understanding the design, operation, and maintenance of pharmaceutical water systems is paramount to ensuring product quality and patient safety. Why is the quality of water so crucial in pharmaceutical production? Impurities in water, whether chemical, physical, or microbiological, can directly contaminate drug products, leading to instability, reduced efficacy, or even harmful effects. Different pharmaceutical applications demand different grades of water, each with strictly controlled purity levels. From water for injection, WFI, used in parenteral products, to purified water, PW, used in non-sterile formulations and cleaning, the quality of water directly impacts the final product's integrity. The generation of pharmaceutical-grade water involves sophisticated multi-stage purification processes. A typical system starts with a potable water source that undergoes pre-treatment steps like softening and dechlorination. This is followed by primary purification technologies such as reverse osmosis, or RO, which forces water through a semi-permeable membrane to remove a high percentage of impurities. Deionization, DI, further removes ions, and distillation, particularly multi-effect distillation, is a traditional method for producing WFI by boiling water and condensing the steam. Ultrafiltration and UV irradiation are often used as final polishing steps to remove microorganisms and endotoxins. The design of a pharmaceutical water system is critical to maintaining water quality. This includes the selection of appropriate materials for piping and storage tanks, the implementation of proper flow rates to prevent stagnation and biofilm formation, and the incorporation of sanitization methods. Hot water sanitization, ozonation, and chemical sanitization are common techniques used to control microbial growth within the system. Regular monitoring and maintenance are essential to ensure the system operates effectively and consistently delivers water of the required quality. Stringent quality control measures are applied to pharmaceutical water systems. This includes frequent chemical and microbiological testing at various points in the system and at the points of use. Parameters such as conductivity, total organic carbon, TOC, and microbial counts are routinely monitored against strict specifications. Any deviations trigger immediate investigation and corrective action. Furthermore, validation of the water system is a regulatory requirement, demonstrating that the system consistently produces water of the required quality. The design, operation, and meticulous maintenance of pharmaceutical water systems are fundamental to producing safe and effective medicines. Enjoyed the video? Want to stay up to date with the latest GMP insights and guidance? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got tons more helpful content coming your way. Hit that subscribe button and join the GMP Guide.